Hello guys, welcome back. So in the last session we have seen the different string operations which is by default available with Tosca. Okay, so as I promised in the last session, like we will see some buffer operations. Okay, so quickly without wasting a time we'll start. Okay, okay. So as you can see in my screen there is one string. Okay, just consider this is one random string. Okay, so that string contains like some character, then number, and then some character. Okay, so using that buffer operations we will try to play with this string. Okay, so there are a couple of requirement I have. Okay, like with this string I want like first three character, that is the code, city code. Okay, just consider city code. Okay, I want first three character from this string. Okay, and the last three character from the string. Okay, I want first three and last three character from the string. So if you are beginner in Tosca, then for this we have one module available with Tosca under standard module. Okay, standard module, if you go under buffer operation, we have Tbox partial buffer. Okay, Tbox partial buffer is used to extract the text, okay, some part of the string from the main string. So let me quickly drag and drop here. Okay, and it takes some parameter. Okay, so it takes some buffer value start, end, and last. Okay, so in buffer we have to pass the buffer name in which we want to store those value. Like if I want first three character, so where it will get stored, those buffer name we have to pass here. So just I am giving a. Okay, the value is nothing but our main string. Okay, main string, let me pass just hard code here, start. So start means from where you want to capture. Okay, I want first three character, so I will start with 1, and where I want to end, I want first three characters, so I will just end with 3. Okay, so this input I have given. Let me quickly run this and we'll see the output. Okay, the test case has passed and I should get the BLR first three characters should be stored in variable buffer A. Okay, see, buffer A has been set to value BLR. Okay, very easy. Okay, now my second requirement was I want the third character from last. Okay, same copy paste I will do. I will delete this. There is one more attribute is mentioned, last, just mention 3. If you want 4, just mention 4. Okay, and we'll run and see. Execution completed, and we'll see buffer A has been stored last 4 character. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, now suppose, okay, suppose tomorrow this module is not available. Just consider, anyhow this will not going to happen. Just consider for a scenario, if these modules are not available tomorrow, then how you will do the same operation using our buffer, that buffer concept. That's what I was talking yesterday. So we will see if suppose this two operations which we performed and those perform through the available module. If we don't have that module, how we can perform? This is very interesting. Just concentrate on this. Okay. So what I am doing now, I am taking one Tbox set buffer. Okay. Tbox set buffer. Okay, let me first copy this, and I'm creating one buffer called text, and I'm storing this value. Okay, this is very simple. This is text variable buffer. In that I am storing this value. If I run this, okay, what it will do? It will just assign whatever value I have given to a text buffer. Okay, you will see in that the text buffer with name text has been assigned to this value. Okay, now, okay, now I want the first three character and last three character. Okay, so there are two more ways. Like one way is like we one first, apart from the inbuilt module, we have like regular expression. Okay, second one we have through CALC function. Okay, the CALC function is nothing but this is like we call it as Excel functions. Okay, if you have Excel, whatever action you performed in Excel, same actions or operations you can perform in Tosca through CALC function. So we'll see one by one. Normally, what will happen? Regular expression. Most of the people will find regular expression bit complex. Okay, and I will tell you this CALC function, through CALC function how we can do this is very easy, but we will see both, so we should know the both ways how we can extract the text. So first we will see regular expression. Okay, let me just use regular expression. Okay, just see it carefully. Regular expression syntax is like we have to start with curly braces, flower braces, just type regex. Okay, if you search regex here, you will see it will show the syntax and uses as well as example. Okay, so if you concentrate on the last one, what it is saying, like this defines the dynamic part which should be buffered. Okay, what we have the same requirement, we have some string in that we want to extract some part, okay, which is dynamic. Okay, so now if you concentrate on this syntax, what it is saying, like regex a to z means any character, any alphabet, okay, in small a to z. After that it is mentioned username is nothing but this is a buffer name. Okay, where we want to enter the buffer the value. Okay, whatever text will be there after a to z, then those things string it will get stored in the username buffer. After that a to z and any number of digit. Okay, so our requirement will match work with this, but we don't need this a to z one because we want first three characters. Okay, from starting only we want the first three characters, so we will use the same syntax but with little bit of modification. Just see, I will just write. Okay, this is the syntax of regex. Okay, as soon as I will click, just see how it will get changed. Okay, I will just give the correct syntax. Okay, regex double quotes, sorry, I have given reg, that's why it's not changing. Okay, just see it got changed. That means this is correct syntax of regex. Now we have to write our requirement. Okay, whatever requirement we have, so it started with bracket, then, and this is main line. We have buffer1. Buffer1, what it will do, it will store the first three characters. So how we can give first three character? Now we have to give in capital because our text is in capital, and in case if it is small also we have to give small, so that what it will do, it will take. If I give small b also it should take, if I give capital B also it should take. Okay, so I have given capital A to Z or small a to z, any character in between that, and I want first three character. Okay, first three character. So I have just given flower braces and 3 because my requirement is like I want the 3 character from starting. Okay, just change it. And just, and one more thing you have to remember, whenever you use this regex, this action mode should be verify. Okay, because this particular regex will verify if this regex, it will verify this text, our original string. In that it will compare with this and it will store the first three character and it will ignore the rest character because we have not provided anything here. Okay, just let me run and see. This is failing because there is some problem with our syntax. Okay, if you can find a syntax, if you can stop the video and if you can find the mistakes, then it is very good. But if you are not able to find, I will tell you. Okay, if you notice here our regex will start with opening. After double quotes we have open bracket, but we have not closed it anywhere. Okay, so let me close it. Okay, this might be the issue. Okay, let me run it. Okay, my test case execution is completed. So let's see. Okay, it is completed. And in Tosca, okay, in Tosca, if you want to see any buffer value, you need to click on tools, then click on buffer viewer. If you click on buffer viewer, it will show all the buffers. Okay, whatever you have executed till date, whatever buffers you have stored till now. So our buffer is buffer 1. If you see in the list, you will find here buffer 1 and value has been stored as blr because we want first 3 character. Okay, so this was our requirement. Okay, the next requirement was we want the last 3 character. Okay, the same operation we perform through the module Tbox Partial Buffer. Okay, now I want the last 3 character from my string. What we have to do, this is very easy. There is one symbol, okay, dollar symbol. This once you mention dollar symbol, it will take the string from the end. This symbol means end of the string. Okay, just see, I just added one special character that is called dollar. Okay, let me run and just change, let's change the buffer name, otherwise it will overwrite. Okay, just F6. F6 is the shortcut key to run the Tosca script in the scratch book. Okay, so if you see in the buffer viewer, buffer 1 is blr, buffer 2 is inc. Inc is nothing but from the last we want the 3 character. This was the our requirement, right? So both we got buffer 1, buffer 2, first 3 character, last 3 character. So through regex we can capture like this. So if you want to learn the regex, if you want to check whether I am writing the regex correct or not, because in Tosca if you write every time you have to run and check whether it is working or not. Okay, so for that I will tell you one website. Okay, I have opened it already, regex101.com. okay, in that website, suppose if you have written try scientist, okay, then this is your test string. Okay, now you have to write here regex. So whatever I have written, right, let me try here. See, it will show everything, every character. If you are writing, it will show the explanation. Okay, I am just writing same syntax I will write here, buffer 1 and buffer 1, as well as I will write here, sorry for that, buffer 1 and then A to Z and close the bracket. Okay, if you see here, it is highlighting it, any character between A to Z, so it is highlighting everything. Okay, everything it is highlighting. Now our requirement was 3 character and at the end. Okay, just see here, it is highlighting. I have given dollar symbol. Okay, dollar symbol here, so that is end of the string, so it should take 3 character from the main string, so it is highlighting 3. Just see carefully, if I change to 4, it should highlight 4 from the end. Okay, so this is how you can write the regular expression using this website. Okay, so this will give all the explanation why we have used all those character and all. Okay, just remember this regex101.com. Okay, okay, now we have finished through regular expression, and through CALC function we will see the same thing we will perform through CALC function. Okay, let me do here only. Okay, so CALC function syntax is, I will just write here, it will be CALC, then this is calc function. Okay, and inside that we have to mention the buffer. Okay, and we have to capture the first three character, last three character. So whatever that main function to capture first three or last three, that we will mention under this CALC function. Okay, just see carefully how I am writing. Okay, okay, this is calc. Okay, this is correct. Okay, in Excel. Okay, in Excel, if you want to get the first three character from left, mostly we'll write one, use left function, right? Left function will write, we will write some, suppose this is our string, then we will give comma and 3 like that. So this is the formula we use in Excel. So same formula we will use in Tosca, because I told, right, whatever Excel operations we perform in, we can use the same functions in Tosca as well through CALC function. Okay, now I want first three character from left. Okay, I give left. Okay, left. Okay, this is my left syntax. Now I want, in the left will take two parameter. First is the string. Okay, so I have strings stored in buffer text. Okay, I have string stored with in buffer text, then comma I want 3. Okay, so this is the syntax. Okay, of, I will just give some name. Okay, like I give temp. Okay, or let me give first 3. Okay, first 3. So syntax is calc left and text of 3. Let me just run and see, show you. Okay, quickly run and see. So this is our buffer sleep. See, buffer with first 3 has been set to, see here it is showing some random numbers, or you can say some garbage value. Okay, why? Because calc function is used to do the calculation for us. Okay, so what it will consider, it will consider this as some number. Okay, for this, for this text, it will, if we don't escape this particular text, okay, it will take something called address. Okay, and something numeric value it will take, and from there it will give the result. Okay, so remember one thing. Okay, this I knowingly I failed this particular part, because you should know, like in that, in this situation what we have to do. Because many people, what they will do, they will just use like this, and they will tell like we are not getting the expected output. Because for calc, whenever we are using calc, inside that calc one, any Excel function was, so we have to escape the character. Okay, so that Tosca will get to know, okay, this is the string, from that we have to get the character. Okay, first 3 characters. So 4 times if you will give double quotes, it will escape the character, and you can see it is showing in double quotes. That means it is considering, Tosca is considering this particular buffer as a text. Okay, let me just run this. Okay, execution is completed. Now you can see buffer with name first 3 has been set to value BLR. This is what we are looking for. Okay, so this is left. Same I want, our requirement was from last 3 character. Okay, last 3 character. For that we have function available in Tosca, right? Okay, first we used um, left function, and if we want from um, last three, okay, one second, if we want from and, then we have to use right function. Okay, just let me run and show you quickly. Here you will see buffer with last three has been set to ink. Okay, this is what we are looking for, inc last value. Okay, and if in case, suppose if we want value from mid, okay, suppose I want this number, suppose this number I want. Okay, this, for this also we use some function in Excel. Okay, calc, we will use calc, this is our calc syntax, then mid, because we want from middle we will take three parameters. First one is, it will take first string, suppose I'm giving tricentis. Okay, and tricentis I want from third, fourth character, and I want sixth character. From fourth it should give me sixth character. Okay, just give me mid. Okay, let me run F6 and see. Okay, you got to know, right, why it is showing this negative value, because I have not escaped the character. Okay, instead of that, let me directly give the escape character. Now after seeing the error, you would have got to know, right, why it gave the random value. Okay, just see here. Test case is passed, and we'll see mid has been set to value 0 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, 0 0 1 2 3 4, this is the value which we were expecting. So middle we can use like this. Okay, using this Excel function, same thing, same middle one you can perform in Tosca as well. Same thing you can perform in Tosca using the regular expression also. Okay, the one initially which I showed, this regex, as soon as you will write regex, so using this exact syntax you can find the middle also. So I am just giving you people one assignment. It's not kind of assignment, it's for your practice. Like if you are watching this video, then in the comment can you please write as regex, okay, to get only this number for me. First three character I showed you, last three character also I showed you, the middle one I showed you through mid function. Okay, that Excel function, but I want this numbers. Okay, numbers from using regular expression. So it will be a good practice for you people if you are trying, and in real if you are trying, then please comment your regular expression in the video comment. Okay, and I will check and I will run those syntax, and I will see whether it is working or not, whether you have written is correct or not. Okay, okay, so that's all for today. If you are having any doubt, if you are finding it bit complex, or if it's difficult, just let me know. I can explain it again and again. Okay, this is very useful. When you will start working in the project, you will realize, okay, this is very useful buffer concepts which I explained today. Okay, okay guys, thank you so much. Just practice whatever we are going through the video. Just practice it and comment if you need anything else, or if you need my help, just comment it. I will check and I will try to reply to your comments. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.